Hey guys, today I'm gonna explain nature of documents in a very simple way. Imagine you enter a library, you see books, magazines, videos, maps, all of these are called documents. Now, what is inside a document? It contains information. Some documents talk about only one subject, some documents talk about many subjects. For example, a book like Statistics for Engineers talks about both statistics and engineering. Now, think about authors. One topic can have many books because different people write in different ways. Also, sometimes one document is written by one person and sometimes many people create one document together. Now, here is the most important idea: documents are connected. Books on the same topic are connected. Books with many subjects are also connected. So, documents are like a network. They are different, but they are all linked together. This is called the nature of documents. Thank you.